guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. As usual. Today's video I'll be making curry chicken. If you guys never had curry chicken, I'm gonna take you through the steps of how to make it. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be bomb, bada bam. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with curry. Put curry on anything. Curry on your cabbage. Curry on your rice. Yellow rice. If you guys want to see how I made that, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification. Please, and thank you. But if you already subscribed, I appreciate you. Thank you for being a part of the Fluffy gang, fluffiness. If you need more Fluffy in your life, let me know, because Fluffy is running the place right now, okay? Lego, let's get into the cooking. Let's get into the video. Cookie. All right, guys, Lego. Alright guys, so I just disassembled a whole chicken. I got 2 wings. I cut off the little tip off of them, 2 thighs, and 2 legs. It's so crazy. I don't like my legs or my wing or anything to be too big when I cook it. But when I go to a restaurant or something, I want the biggest I want the biggest leg or the biggest meat they got. So small is better. So right here, then I have my carrot. I have some potato. I just cube it up. Some tomato, some bell pepper, and I have some onion over there. And I'm gonna add some sofrito. You got green peppers, onion, you got garlic, you got everything in here. And my favorite Creole seasoning and my adobo. I'm telling you guys, if you just use those 2, you'll be straight. I'm gonna add my black pepper, but I'm gonna add that on off camera. So gotta twist. And the main ingredient, curry powder. Make sure you use good quality curry powder, because if you use that little cheap one, you're gonna get cheap flavor. It's gonna taste cheap. So first thing first, I'm gonna add my Creole. Sprinkle. You don't want it too much. You don't want to add too much seasoning. Just a little bit of each, because the curry itself is salty. Curry is salty, guys. Just a little of that. Get my sofrito. Okay. Just add 2 tablespoons, or whatever you call this right here. Add the curry. Also, guys, I'm just putting a little bit of curry in here because I'm gonna add some curry in my oil when I start cooking. I haven't had curry in months. Oh, so I'm gonna add my, oh, this looks so good. Yummy. So I'm gonna just mix, well, I'm gonna add the pepper later, but I'm gonna just mix this up. Guys, if you have a pair of gloves or something, put on some gloves, because your hands, your fingernails will be yellow, especially for y'all females that's wearing long, colorful nails, or white nails especially. Oh my God, that will become yellow fingernail. You don't want that, do you? You don't want that. Isn't she lovely? Guys, don't worry about the color right now. I know it looks bland. But when I put the more curry in the oil and then fry it up first, I put it. Still gonna look white, but put some more. Ooh. Guys, if you trust the process, just do whatever I do, and it will come out amazing. I'm just making 6. I put the breast in the freezer for another time. So I'm gonna just cover this up and let it marinate for 5 hours. If you guys could do overnight, that would be even better. You will definitely taste all the flavor. Everything will be soaked up in the chicken. So overnight is better, but 5 hours or a couple hours will be fine. I'm just sticking it in the fridge. And then 5 hours later, I'm gonna put it together. Put it together. Curry chicken, curry chicken, curry chicken. I should have made some curry chicken back. I don't know about that. Leave a comment down below. Curry chicken back. You know, remember the old days. Lego. Alright guys, so I just took out my chicken from out the fridge. It was marinated for 5.5 hours. So I just separated the carrot, the potato, the onion, and all that from the meat. And I have, woo! Yes! Hey guys, be careful. Have some oil heated up right here. It's on medium high. I'm gonna just add this in here. It's gonna be crazy. Remember I told you I'm gonna add the curry into the oil. I'm gonna do that after I fry. After I cook up the chicken. Guys, trust the process. Trust the process. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna fry these up. I'll put the lid on here. Fry these up first. And I'll be right back. We're gonna save these wonderful things for the end so we can add on to it to make the gravy. Lego. Keep it frying for about 5 minutes. You can brown them up longer if you need to. This is good enough. Some people just heat up the oil and just throw everything in there and just boil it, steam it that way. But I don't want to do it that way. I want to fry it first, give it some color and brown it. Then I'm going to simmer it down. So I'm just cover this up. That takes about 5 more minutes or until brown. Right over here I have some rice. I got 2 cups of rice, some butter, and some salt. You just need a little bit of salt because the curry is already salty. You don't want to over salt. You don't want to eat a whole bunch of salt. So I'm going to let this cook up some more for about 5 to 7 more minutes. 5 to 7 more minutes. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, so these are browning up, especially the wings. So I'm just take them out. Turn down my stove, my temperature to medium. I'm gonna throw off some of this oil. Then I'm gonna add some curry powder in here. Hold on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just throw off some of the oil. I just threw some of the oil off. Now I'm gonna add the curry powder. Remember I told you I was gonna add some more of the oil. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want this to brown up. Because nobody wanna eat undercooked curry because you'll be taking a trip to the bathroom. And nobody wants that. Let's mix that up. Hey, don't burn it up. Just cook it enough. I know it's not burned, that's the sticking from the chicken. Mix that up a little bit. Remember growing up and running a boat. Remember everybody put money together, buy a pound of flour, a pound of rice, a pound of chicken back, some bag juice, all types of things. If you remember them good old days, say, leave it in the comment. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just add in all of this right here in this. Yeah man, growing up back in Jamaica, that was a good old time. Young, didn't have to worry about nothing. No bills, no worries, just chilling under the ackee tree. Chilling under the ackee tree on a hot summer day. Playing, what do you call it? All type of, I can't remember. Dandy Shandy, oh yes, Dandy Shandy. It was so much fun. Oh. So I'm gonna just add the chicken in all this. Ooh. Add the chicken in all that. Ooh, mix this around. Alright. There we go. Mix it around. You already see the yellow? You already see the color coming in? Curry my way. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water for now. Remember I said before, chicken produces its own water. So I'm gonna just add 1 cup for now. I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer because remember the potato tough, you know? The potato is tough, so I'm trying to soften that up. So I'm gonna cover it. Cover and let it simmer. About 20 minutes and I'll repeat. Alright, so it's been cooking for about 20 minutes now. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, off camera I added some ketchup in here. It looks good. The ketchup helped thicken it. Also, the potato helped thicken it up a little bit. So I'm gonna do a poke test. Test this potato. You see that? Nice and lovely. Ooh, yes, nice and pretty. It's pretty much finished, but I'm gonna cover it up and let it simmer down for 5 more minutes. So right over here, so right here you have the rice. It's on low right now, it's just simmering. You can also, I'm making white rice. You can make rice and peas. You can make dumpling. What else you can make with this? Just yam and banana. Anything really, or you can eat it by itself. You can eat it with bread. Yep. So I'm gonna let this simmer down for 5 more minutes, and I'll be finished. Curry chicken done. All right, guys, this is it. This is it. Curry chicken. This looks good. So I'm gonna just plate this up. I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna do a taste test. But this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Guys, this is amazing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I'll have all the description, all the ingredients in the description. Thank you guys. Lego. Bye. Alright guys, so I wasn't gonna try, but I had to come try it for y'all. Here's just a little snap of it. Just in a small amount. hold up. Come on, curry. There you go. Alright, let me just try this. I'm getting me a piece of potato. Hot. Hot. Alright, piece of chicken. Piece of curry chicken. Some rice. Focus. I can only eat rice. Ooh, hot. I can only eat rice with fork. Some people can only eat it with spoon. Not my dad, but fork is the right way. Fork. Just leave me in the comments something you want me to try. And let me know how you like this video. Wow. You guys definitely make this. Come on, focus. Definitely make it. It's worth it. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And give this video a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I know it's not good to eat and talk, but don't eat and talk, guys. Don't eat and talk. Bye! All this chicken all up in my teeth. My braces. Bye, Lego.